How to remove object background on image using PowerPoint. You can remove a background from object in a picture in PowerPoint and keep parts of the image. The background you remove can be a monocolor or it can include different colors and objects. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, the size of your screen and your control panel settings, buttons and ribbon tabs may display in a different way or may appear with different names. For example, for PowerPoint 365 users, ribbon tabs, the Picture Tools Format tab may appear as Picture Format. In PowerPoint, the Remove Background tool can remove the background from an image that has multiple colors and details. You may need to spend some time to remove backgrounds for more detailed images, but PowerPoint will try to detect the primary part of the image to get you started. This tool works best with images that have a lot of contrast. You cannot use the Remove Background tool for vector graphic files such as Scalable Vector Graphics, SVG, Windows Metafile Format, WMF, Adobe Illustrator Graphics, AI, and Vector Drawing File, DRW. It also cannot be used for shapes you draw or other objects you create in PowerPoint, SmartArt, or charts. Remove Background appears on the Picture Tools Format or Picture Format tab in the ribbon. To remove the background of a picture with the Remove Background tool, select a picture with the background you want to remove. Click the Picture Tools Format or Picture Format tab in the ribbon. In the Adjust group, click Remove Background. The image changes color and a Background Removal tab appears in the ribbon. In PowerPoint 2010 and 2013, marquee lines appear around part of the image. In 2016 and later versions, PowerPoint will try to detect the primary part of the image automatically. If marquee lines appear around the image, click one of the handles on the marquee lines and then drag the line so that it contains the portion of the picture you want to keep and excludes most of the areas you want to remove. The area that will be removed will appear in pink. Click Keep Changes in the Background Removal tab. The following tools appear on the Background Removal tab in PowerPoint 365, which is similar in all versions. Delete Mark is available in PowerPoint 2010 and 2013 but has been removed in newer versions. In the image sample below, we've clicked an image and then clicked Remove Background. The areas in pink will be removed. Image with pink areas to remove in Remove Background in PowerPoint. If you are not satisfied with the final image after you click Keep Changes, you will need to mark areas you want to keep or remove. Select the picture. Click the Picture Tools Format or Picture Format tab. In the Adjust group, click Remove Background. Click Mark Areas to keep in the Background Removal tab. Drag over the areas you wish to keep. You can also click on smaller areas. Click Mark Areas to remove in the Background Removal tab. Drag over the areas you wish to remove. You can also click on smaller areas. If you change your mind about an area you have marked either to keep or to remove it, click Delete Mark, 2010 or 2013, and then click the line to change it. If you want to remove all changes, click Discard All Changes. Click Keep Changes. If the image has very fine details, you may need to use a dedicated photo editing program like Photoshop. When you use Remove Background, PowerPoint retains two copies of the image, the original and the modified version, so you can reset the picture or fine-tune it. If you are satisfied with the final image, you can right-click it, save it as a picture, delete the image in PowerPoint and then insert the modified version. If you like this video, please subscribe to us, comment and like our videos.